Hey there, it's Petra here from BigIncomeParadise.com, and in this video I would like to share with you and show you how to use Canva to create beautiful infographics for Pinterest. So you can actually do any design for Instagram, Facebook, anything, okay? But I want to show you how to create infographics. So you can go under here and just type in Pinterest graphics, and you can use this one, this dimensions, or actually I usually use custom dimensions. So this one, for example, 800 and 1600, just click create new, and under templates you just type in infographics. Now don't worry about the colors. I know I always say you need to use your branded colors. So if you're using pink, this is not gonna go, right? But you can still use, if you really love this infographic, you can use it and change the colors. As you can see up in here, you can change the background. So let's say you use pink, this one, you can use this one. Don't worry about this because as I said before, you can change all of the colors, all of the fonts, the size of the fonts, everything, okay? Now I know this looks really horrible, so we're gonna use something else. I really love, and what I figured out is that if you have a lot of white on your picture, like this one, this works super well on Pinterest. Now I don't know your audience, I don't know how it works for you, but I did test it out. I'm using quite a lot of white space on my pictures, and those are the best pins that are performing the best for me, okay? So as I said, let's go closer. You can just click here and zoom in, let's say 50%. You can change the fonts. So this one, for example, we're gonna change it to, let's say, Montserrat. This is what I use. You can ungroup, okay, to change, you know, the size. Let me just, where's the middle? So Canva sometimes, I don't know why, but sometimes Canva is playing with us and it doesn't show where the middle is. Now it did show, as you can see, this middle line. So let's create branded, whoops, fonts. Use branded fonts. It's white. Let's make it a little bit bigger. We're not going to change any text in here, just to save up some time. So let's say you're talking about this. Now you can add pictures as a background picture. You can use this one if you want. It's just not going to be the best, but okay. Let me go a little bit out. Let's say this looks great, okay? Of course it doesn't, but let's pretend it does. Okay, let me go here, 50%. Let's say you can see all of the text, all of the icons here. By the way, if it says remove watermarks, that means you will have to pay for it, okay? Now you can change the elements under elements, okay? And let's say you're talking about waking up in the morning. Just type in wake up, and it's gonna find a lot of elements that you can use. Of course, if it say pro, or if it says, you know, I don't know how it says pro, and I don't know what it says. There's something else that it says premium. Yeah, pro and premium. You will have to pay for it, okay? So you can't use this because there's the logo. If we want to download, as you can see, pay and download. So you will need to pay for it, okay? But you can use free versions of pictures or icons. But I don't know if we are going to be able to find something free. This is premium. Let's just go back and just take an icon that is free. So let's say we want to change this icon, just delete it. let's say you want to use Facebook. This is a free icon. As you can see, it says free, so you can easily use it for free. And you can change the colors to your branded colors. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And let's pretend this looks great. Okay, this is, let's say, the finished product. Don't forget to include your logo. If you still don't have a logo, there's gonna be a link down below where I made a video about how to create a free logo, or you can go on Fiverr.com, Fiverr with 2 R's.com, and pay someone to create a logo for you. It's basically $5 or something like that. So you should always use your logo, or if you don't have it and you're waiting for a designer to create a logo for you, just use your URL. So in my case, it's bigincomeparadise.com. Make it a little bit bigger, let's say like this. Use that, okay, because you need to brand yourself. So brand yourself with your colors. Don't use, let's say, this color and then the next day you use this one and then the next day you use this one, and then, you know, use always the same colors. So maybe it's white, blue, and gray. Maybe it's just white and blue. Okay, you need to use the same colors. So in our case, this color has hashtag 00B6DE. Okay, always use this color. So write down the hex code. Hex code is this hashtag and the numbers and letters. Okay, always do that. But if you use this colors, the default colors here, then always use the default colors. Okay, something like that. When you finish, change the name here to your title. In this case, let's say it's this. Then just click download. Okay, in our case, we should pay for, you know, some of the items on this picture. But if you use the free ones, it's just gonna say download. Download that and upload it to Pinterest. Okay, so that's all. I'm gonna show you one of my designs, for example. By the way, these pictures are from Ivory Mix, and it's a stock photography site. You can get 550 free stock photos, or actually there's more than 550. You can get them free. The link is gonna be down below. Or you can invest. I decided to invest in the pictures, in the stock photography, and let me tell you, in 2 weeks I saw a big difference in my traffic. I saw more traffic to my blog because everyone loves the pictures, right? Because if you go under pictures in Canva here, they are free, but a lot of people use them. So if you want to stand out of the crowd, you need to invest. So if you're ready to invest, the link is down below. If you're not, there's still 550 plus free pictures that you can get from Ivory Mix. So the link is down below. Get it and start creating beautiful infographics for your Pinterest. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and well, see you in the next one.